a very great way just to like go like that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory. Alright guys, today I am doing a clear glue Elmers glue slime versus a colored Elmers glue slime. So guys, Elmers has a new glue where they have color ones. So this one is the clear one. They have like a what is it called? Opaque one, which is just like white, and then after they have the transparent, which the transparent looks so much prettier. I don't really like the other ones. They're a little like ugly to me, honestly. I don't really like the colors, but I do have another video on that, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But anyways, we're gonna be doing that one, but we're also gonna be comparing the two. So we're gonna see normal clear glue, gallon, versus color clear glue. So maybe they're different. Maybe this one's thinner or thicker or smellier. Who knows? So let's check it out. I feel like today's first shot is gonna be, you guys hit the comment down below. What's your favorite glue brand? I like Elmers or Crazy Art. Yeah. Okay, well, let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Okay guys, so how about bowl here and the glue, and let's start. Okay, so the first one we're gonna do, guys, is just a normal clear glue. I have a gallon right here. Okay, so I just have a normal clear glue, guys. I'm gonna make it first so I can compare it to all of them. I'm not gonna put any dyes or anything, just so it's like completely normal and we can compare it. So I have some activator right here. Let's mix that. By the way, guys, if you see my hands are kind of like pink, it's because I just did a video where I like had a lot of dye. So yeah. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm just gonna go ahead and start kneading it now. And you guys are probably like, Ameerah, you just put like a bunch of glue on your table. It's okay, it's gonna knead. It's gonna become slime and it's gonna clean up everywhere. By the way, guys, it's gonna take a very long time because it is Elmers glue, and Elmers glue is thick. And it like takes a lot of kneading to make it. And then also, I know it's not clear, guys. It's like completely white. It's not dirty or anything. It's just like there's a bunch of bubbles in it. So yeah. I find a very great way just to like go like that when you're like really tired of making slime, but you really want some slime. Ta-da! See? Look at all that. Pretty needed. Okay, I think it's a little bit more activator. Jeez, that took a long time.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, I'm all done with it. Look at how thick that is. It's gonna be beautiful when it clears up. By the way, guys, if you haven't ever made clear slime, when you make it, like a bunch of bubbles are in here. That's why it's like white. So you have to wait like a week, or depends how thick your slime is. The thicker, the longer you have to wait. The more, the longer you have to wait. So yeah, this is gonna probably take about like 3 days to clear up, and it's gonna be beautiful. And also, I think it gets thicker too. I don't know, you guys comment down below. I feel like it gets thicker when the bubbles go away, but you guys comment down below. I don't know, that's just like a conspiracy theory of mine. But anyways, here it is. Very nice. This is actually like the best one I've ever made. Okay, well, enough of that one, guys. Let me just do a swirl really quick. I want to do a swirl. I could literally play with Elmer's clear glue all day. That was a terrible swirl. Wait, let me just do one more swirl. This is called the Ameerah swirl. You go like this. You go like that. You make a little bubble. You take it off. You might know what kind of bubble, what kind of swirl this is if you watched more Ameerah. Okay, well, enough of this one, guys. Let's get on to the colored ones. Now let's get on to the colored glues. Which one should we do, guys? I think this one. This one's pretty. Okay, so I really like the colors of these ones. Like, they look really pretty. Like, look at that. That is just so gorgeous. But they don't really like have too much color, honestly. But let's go ahead. Okay, so first of all, it kind of does seem like a little bit more like thin than the other one. But maybe that's just like I'm paranoid. But you guys comment down below what you think. Make sure you comment your opinion because I want to know. But anyways, let's go ahead and start activating it. Seems like it's activating quicker too. I don't know why. Seems like slimier too. I don't know. It feels good though. It kind of seems like it's losing color, but I think that's just because of like the bubbles and stuff. This is another good way to like make slime really quick. Just like put it on the table and just like put it in circles, and you will need your slime. Guys, this is no longer a pink slime. This is actually a white slime with a pink tint to it. I'm just kidding. It's still the pink slime, guys, but it looks so white. Like, what the heck happened? Like, all the bubbles made it all white. My hands look pinker than it. Okay, I don't know why, guys, but this one is super sticky. Like, it usually doesn't stick to me that much. Just roll it. This one seems like more sticky. I don't know. More stiff and sticky, I think. I don't know. There it is. There is glue all over my hands and I can't get it off, guys. Like, what the heck? What is, either something's wrong with my hands because slime does not stick to my hands, or this glue is weird. I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm finally done with it, so let's go ahead and start reviewing it. Let's judge this piece of slime. So, first of all, it kind of seems a little bit more stiff than like the regular one. Let me just show you really quick. Okay, here it is, guys. Here's the normal. I don't know, it just seems like less stiff. Like this one is a lot more stretchy and stuff. I don't know, like clicky. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like really stretchy. This one kind of just like, it stretches, but like it has like resistance and stuff. But this one is like really, really nice. I like the clear one so far more than like the pink one. Maybe the blue and the pink and the other purple, not the pink, but the purple and the green one will be better or different, but I don't really like this pink one too much, except the color. The color is really, really pretty. But anyways, I don't know. I mean, this one is, it's good, but it's just, I don't think it's as thick as the other one and as stretchy. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, well guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rate this one a 8 out of a 10 just because it's kind of like stiff, and I don't think I overboxed it because it's kind of sticky still. So yeah, let's try the next one, guys. Hopefully they'll be better. Let's go and check. Let's go and choose. I feel like this would look cool if I like mix it with pink. Okay, you can't, that just looks like clear glue, guys. Look at that. This just looks like some clear glue with like black powder in it, dust or something, I don't know. But I just want to mix the purple and the pink really quick. Do you guys see that? I just added that and it doesn't, okay. We gotta do a science experiment at the end of this video, guys. So we have the purple one, here it is. Here's how it looks really pretty. What is that? What is that white stuff right there? That's weird. Seriously, I don't know what the heck that white stuff is. Baking soda? Okay, let's go ahead and activate it. But first let me see the texture. It seems pretty like, it seems thicker than the pink one, but not as thick as the clear one. Let's go ahead and activate it. It definitely does seem like a lot more pigmented, or colorful, vibrant, I mean. Let's see. Okay guys, I'm just gonna continue doing this for about like 60 years and I'll get back to you guys.
3 weeks later.
Okay guys, here it is. Here's the slime. It's basically the same thing as the pink one. I think it might be a little worse though. Like look, it's not even stretching. Like why doesn't it stretch? Maybe I just need it a lot more. But like let me just show you the clear glue. Here's the clear glue. The regular, I mean. Like it's thinner, I think maybe. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm not really liking this one too much. You guys comment down below what you think, and also if you got some, if you think that they're horrible, if you think the colors glue are horrible, and maybe I'm not crazy, or maybe I am crazy, I don't know. But let's try another glue, yeah, okay, all right. 1, 2, which one should we choose? 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. So we got the blue one out. This one looks so like, I want to eat this, guys. It looks like blue raspberry. It looks like a blue raspberry slushy, but like melted. Okay, so here's the blue. Here's how it looks. Is this just me, guys, or does this look like a thumbnail? Like, I don't know. It just doesn't look like Elmers. Okay, that looks so good. Like, I want to eat that. Like this, I like this color right here. Guys, look it. Since my counter is yellow and this is blue glue, blue clear glue, it made green, but it's really blue. Let's activate it now. Mix, 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 mix. Now let's just go ahead and plop that onto there and let's start. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing this for about 700 years and I'll get back to you guys.
So much later that the old...
Okay guys, here is the blue one. It does seem a lot better. Like it seems more clicky and stretchier. I don't know if you guys can see that and hear it. Like, I don't know, it seems like a lot better than the other ones. Like, I don't know, it just, these ones seem so stiff, and this one is like a lot better. This one is really, really thick though. I feel like it might even be thicker than the clear one. Here's the purple. Like, they're like dry, these ones. It's so weird. And then here is the clear one. Still very, very, very nice and stretchy. Well, we have one more, guys. It is the green one. This one looks so good too. These two look like candy, guys. This one looks like green apple. Like, I want to eat it, guys. I just want to eat it, and it looks so good, but we're just gonna make it. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that in there. Ooh, that looks really, really cool. Like, I don't know, you guys comment down below if you want to eat this. I really want to eat it, so yeah. But don't eat it, guys. It's glue. Yeah, don't eat it. Okay, I'm just gonna continue mixing for about a decade.
Several bad puns later.
I was trying to do ASMR. I don't like it. Okay, let's go back. Anyways, guys, so I'm all done making it. It's been 4 decades, and I am all done finally. I did over-borax it though, and I feel like this green one activated quicker because like I didn't add that much, guys. Like, look at it. I don't. Whatever. Anyways, so it did get over-activated, but it does seem like thicker and better than the other ones. I don't know. What do you guys think? Here's this green one. We got the blue one. Okay, well, I really really like the blue and the green one, but I think I'm just gonna stick with this clear gallon because it's real nice. And the clear slime is really, really nice. But if I wanna have some fun every now and then, I think I'll take one of these. But yeah, you guys gotta know what you think about them, and let's do a slime smoothie, yes. Okay, so here's the big one, the purple, the clear, the blue. I really like the blue. I'm gonna miss that one, guys. And the beautiful green that is overactivated, but I can still tell it's a good one. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some white glitter on the top and some holographic glitter. Yes. Make sure you take a screenshot and post it on Instagram, and make sure you like this video if you like the slime smoothie. Look at how pretty that is, guys. The glitter looks so cool too. Okay, we gotta add some more glitter on this. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that looks so pretty, guys. Oh my god. You know, I think it's actually just gonna turn green instead of like some ugly poopy color. Add a little bit more holographic glitter. By the way, guys, this glitter is from Recollection. I got it at Michael's, my favorite brand of glitter. Just saying, not sponsored. Okay, well, I guess that's it for this lesson. It was beautiful, guys. Okay, well, guys, you guys got if you want me to do a part 2, or if you want me to make a giant one, like a giant blue color glue versus like normal, that would be pretty cool. I don't know, you guys comment down below your opinion. Make sure you subscribe and like, and yeah, that's it, guys. Love you so much, and I really hope I see you guys next time. Bye.